Hello parents and students. How are you today? Are you ready for today's lesson? If you are ready, then let's begin. But before that, let me introduce you some unfamiliar words in this topic. So these are vocabulary words you need to know. The first one is food, physical growth, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, energy, minerals, vegetables, and fruits. Okay, read once again. Food, physical growth, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, energy, minerals, vegetables, and fruits. Okay, so these are the unfamiliar words that you are going to have in this topic. So let's begin and listen. So for today's topic, we are going to have the 5 food groups. So the question is, why do we need to eat food? Why do we need food in our daily life? So there are many reasons why we need food, why we need to eat. The reason is we need food to help physical growth and body maintenance. Meaning to say, we need to eat healthy foods in order to have a healthy body, and you should eat nutritious food, meaning to say have a lot of vitamins, because it helps us to grow and maintain our body healthy. The next one is it provides the energy to run body functions. Okay, if you have energy every day, then you can do your daily routines like that. So we need to eat a healthy food. And then the next one is we need food to keep our immune system healthy. Meaning to say, when we have our healthy food every day, then we will not be sick. We will not get ill. And then our body has a lot of energy when we do activities. So these are the reason why we need food every day. And then eating a variety of food from the 5 major food groups provides a range of different nutrients to our body. And also, it promotes good health and can help reduce the risk of diseases. We studied already different kinds of diseases, right? So, we will have the first food group, which is the group 1. So this group 1 belongs to protein foods. So what do you think are the protein foods? These protein foods includes meat, milk, eggs, and different kinds of beans. They are sources of protein needed for physical growth and maintenance. Okay, let's have an example of group 1 protein foods. There, as you can see on the screen, you have, yes, shrimps. Next one is beef. There, pork. And as you can see, different kinds of nuts. There, chicken and eggs. So these are not only the example of protein foods. We have different kinds of protein foods. So this food belongs to group 1, which is protein foods, and they are sources of proteins that can give our physical growth and maintenance. Let's go to group 2. So this group 2, these are the food that has grains, meaning to say includes rice, uh, taro, potato, bread, and sugar, or they are sources of carbohydrates that provides energy and warmth for the body. So I'll give you some examples of this group 2 food. Okay, as you can see there, pasta. Next, okay, cereal. There, corn, bread, potato, cereal, or oatmeal, and then rice. So this food belongs to group 2. Then you can have any many more examples that food belongs to group 2, which is the sources of carbohydrates, and it provides energy to our body. Next is the group 3. This group 3 belongs to the vegetable, and then there are many different kinds of vegetable, wherein this includes um, the minerals and vitamins, or they can help our body functions and prevent constipation. So as you can see on the screen, I have different kinds of vegetables. The first one is there, string beans, Chinese cabbage, carrots, radish, eggplant, lettuce, broccoli, and cabbage. Okay, so you can give your own example of different kinds of vegetable. These food belongs to group 3, wherein there are sources of vitamins and minerals. For what is this vegetable? They can help our body functions and prevent constipation. Now let's proceed to group 4. What do you think is group 4? There. Group 4 is different kinds of fruits. Yes, very good. Wherein it includes fruits that provides vitamins and minerals. They cooperate with food group number 3 for maintaining good body functions and a healthy excretory system. Meaning to say, it maintains good body functions. And what are these fruits? Let me give you some examples. Okay, there, mangosteen, grapes, orange, blueberry, apples, mangoes, dragon fruit, strawberries, and bananas. Yes, these food groups can make our body healthy. So you can give any other kinds of fruits that you know. And then we will go to group 5. Yes, group 5 is a food that belongs to dairy. Meaning to say, it includes oil and fats from plants and meat, such as vegetable oil, animal oil, and butter. They provide energy and warmth for the body. So these are examples of group 5. So the first one is yogurt. Yeah, this yogurt is my favorite food. And the next one is butter, and then cheese. This one is oil from coconut, oil from sunflower, and the next one is an olive oil. So this group belongs to a dairy wherein they provide energy and warmth for the body. So if you can give any example from the 5 major food groups, then you can talk together with your parents. If you have another example, you can suggest any example you want. So those are the 5 major food groups that provides a range of different nutrients to the body, and it promotes good health and can help reduce the risk of diseases. So this is all about for today, wherein we studied already the 5 major food groups, and I hope you understood the lesson for today. And don't forget to scan this QR code for the worksheet. Thank you, and we'll see you for the next lesson. Bye bye.